Your camera is so blurry daw. Sorry naman. Sabi nila, huwag mong i-post kasi nakakahiya. Pero sige, post natin. Huwag tayong makinig sa Hello guys, so it's January 3. Dito ako sa shop. Dito ko sa labas kasi sarado yung yes. Sarado siya. Paano ko makapasok? Diba? Walang mga upuan. And then, isa lang yung wash boy na dumating kahapon. Tapos, ang daming cars na magpa-wash sana. Pero hindi kaya kasi isa lang yung wash boy na nandito. So, eto lang yung sale. Dalawa lang yung nasa. Paano yan? So mag-expect na tayo na mababa yung sale natin today kasi walang wash boy and then hindi pwedeng tatanggap-tanggap lang tayo ng mga cars tapos walang magwawash. So yeah. Hello guys, kakatapos ko lang mag-unbox nung in-order ko na webcam from TikTok. Dumating na siya. I'm so happy na dumating na siya kasi kailangan ko siya. Kasi yung laptop, nung camera ng laptop is grabe siya ka-blurry. And then, medyo nagre-reklamo yung client ko na, your your camera is so blurry daw. Sorry naman. So, and then, yeah. And nag-e-edit ako ngayon ng vlog. I-post ko, this is super late. Kasi, I don't know if ipopost ko to kasi my friends are, sabi nila, huwag mong i-post kasi nakakahiya. Pero sige, post natin. Huwag tayong makinig sa kanila. Yeah. Ito yung clip. Panoorin nyo guys. Ito yung mga happenings nung New Year. Yung mga Christmas party, New Year. Actually, quick story lang. Nung New Year, wala kaming masyadong video kasi I'm super tired. And then, yeah. kung anong meron lang yung video na i-post ko, yung mga ganap lang namin. So, enjoy.
Ay, magkatawa eh. Take sa kwan ba yan eh? Tumbugin ko lahat. Ayaw, uy.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words you can say.
Orange, pink, green, yellow, yellow, pink, 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 red, yellow. Orange, green, yellow, blue. Red! Simhon. Tilap. Tilap. Ay, sa tagalan. Tilap. Tilap. Simhon. Tilap. 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 Simhon. Simon, tilap, Simon, tilap, Simon, tilap, Simon, tilap, Simon, 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 tilap, 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 Simon, 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 tilap, Simon, tilap, Simon, tilap, Simon, tilap, tilap, Simon, Simon. Tilap, tilap ah, Simon, Simon. Simon, tilap. Simon, Simon. Simon, tilap. Tilap bagus. Tilap good. Simon takut. Simon good. Tilap. Simon, tilap. 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 Simon, tilap. Tilap. Simon, Simon, tilap. Tilap. Simon. Ready, set, Simon, Simon, tilap.
So, yun yung mga ganap nung part sorry, di pa fully recovered yung voice ko. Actually, marami pang mga ganap pero mga nangyayari pero hindi siya nakunan kasi nag enjoy na. Sumali din kasi ako ng games so hindi siya nakunan yung iba. Pero all in all, I'm super happy. Nag-enjoy ka, nag, sorry, nag-enjoy kami and yeah, it's 2026 and let's manifest and hope na more blessings to come, healthy, and yeah, let's enjoy the journey and dapat ready tayo for this 2026. And yeah, I'm super excited kasi hindi natin alam kung anong ibigay ng 2026 pero Yes, we're super excited. I'm super excited talaga to experience what this year na ma-experience pa. Ano daw? Ah, yun lang. It's so ano it's 2026 na. Hello guys. Sana okay kayo. Sana happy kayo this 2026. Happy tayo. Para akong lasing ngayon. Pero bitaw, let's enjoy the journey and yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe and ano da? Ha? Sorry guys, hindi ko na alam sinasabi ko. Inaantok ako. Pero yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.